Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying Mac OS compatibility and freeing enough space. This avoids install errors later. Once done, download and run the Dropbox installer, then sign in with your credentials. Make sure to enable two-step authentication if you want extra security. When the app asks for permissions, grant Finder integration and full disk access so syncing works for desktop and documents. This first setup phase ensures Dropbox can read and write where you expect it to, preventing permission-related sync failure. Now you'll configure how Dropbox stores files on your Mac and how it behaves. Start by selecting folders with selective sync to keep large folders off this device and save local disk space. Then choose your Dropbox folder location. Avoid external drives unless formatted for Mac OS. Next, tweak bandwidth and startup options so Dropbox doesn't slow your network at peak times. Finally, enable Smart Sync and pick Always or Online Only for big archives. This balances local access versus disk usage. You're ready to use Dropbox daily. Drag files into the Dropbox folder to sync and right-click to create share links or invite collaborators with specific permissions. For recovery, use version history to restore prior edits and file requests to gather uploads from others. If syncing stalls, first quit and restart the Dropbox app, then verify Finder permissions and full disk access. Also check Selective Sync and Smart Sync for misplaced files. If problems persist, sign out and back in to reinitialize the account connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.